2, 1.
Bro, this works. We are trying 10 viral beauty hacks today, and I have absolutely zero faith in most of these. But let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back to Krisha's Corner. I am Krisha, and today I am sacrificing myself for content. 10 hacks, one face, zero expectations. But some of these ideas are genuinely insane, while some I doubt the most. But anyways, we are committing. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Hack number 6, perfume on your hairbrush. Spray some perfume on your hairbrush before you brush your hair. After spraying, brush your hair, and it is said that your hair will literally smell good all day long. So we have to put that to test as well. Just need two simple ingredients. One is a brush, and second is your favorite perfume. I'm going to take the Magnolia Fruity from West Side. I love this perfume, I love the smell, and I would love if my hair smell like this. So let's try. This actually looks very risky क्योंकि तुम परफ्यूम अपने सिर में मार रहे हो, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, I've done that. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, start. My brush definitely smells like Magnolia and Moment of Truth. I don't think this can last whole day, but I'll try. My hair doesn't smell like Magnolia Fruity abhi tak. Maybe someone else can. It doesn't smell. Okay, so final verdict. My hair does not actually smell like Magnolia Fruity, and it is actually one of the best perfumes I have. Actually वो बहुत long lasting है, and it has been working well for me. So मेरे बाल पे अभी भी मुझे स्मेल नहीं आ रहा है उसका, even when I have put good generous amount of it. And maybe because of the pasina I have in because my hair are greasy probably, but I don't think this will last you a long time. So I'll give this hack like a 5 on 10. I don't know why all the hacks are failing, and it's okay. You cannot take shortcuts every time. You have to go 3-4 steps longer. So I think this is the sign कि हर चीज़ में shortcut लेना बंद कर दो. So maybe use a hair mist if you want your hair to smell nice. Don't, disclaimer once again I'm telling you, don't use a lot of perfume on your hair because it has alcohol and it will make your hair dry. Hack number 7, toothpaste on your nails. Yes, you heard that right. Toothpaste on your nails. If your nails are yellow and non-shiny, this hack is for that. So basically what you have to do, you have to take your toothbrush, normal toothbrush, and regular toothpaste, apply it on whatever you do, and then keep scrubbing this for 2 minutes, and they will whiten and they will shine, literally shine. I don't believe in this because it literally looks fake on the face of it, but of course we are going to try because that's the whole purpose of this video. So let's go for the 100th time. Toothpaste, toothbrush. So I recommend कि कोई पुराना toothbrush ले लो, क्योंकि अफकोर्स जो तुम हाथ पे कर रहे हो वो तुम्हें वापस मुंह में नहीं डालना होगा. If you're okay with it, go for it. I am not okay for it. This is the Pepsodent वाला, and this is my regular toothbrush जो मैं भी यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, this is from Oral-B. So okay. See, this is how my nails look like. What we have to do is take some. ये बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. Okay, I'm tired. And now we are washing it thoroughly. So you want to see? This is how my nails look like, and my podcast pigment. This is how my nails look like after doing that for 3 minutes, and this is how my normal nails look like. So do you think there is literally no difference, not even 0.1% difference? Oh, there is a difference. So can you see, ये थोड़े नीचे से ज़्यादा येलो है, and ये अब उतने येलो नहीं है, but तो भी I think it's a failed hack. So I'll give it 2 on 10. I mean, I'm not impressed, or maybe मेरी nails तो येलो है नहीं. आप ट्राई करो, कमेंट बिलो if it works for you. Yeah. Fact number 7. Tomato on face. So apparently tomato is not just good for eating but also for your face. So the internet believes that if we apply tomato on our skin, like if you rub it continuously on your skin, it gives you an instant glow, it brightens your skin and it removes tan instantly. Like instantly. I don't believe that it will remove instantly. It might remove the tan but not instantly, but we are going to put that to test as well. So if you want that instant glow, if it works, I don't know, like we are going to do that. Kitchen skincare is back. हर चीज़ किचन में मिल जाती है गाइस, हर चीज़. नेक्स्ट हैक, वी नीड अ टमेटो. तो ये मैं इस पे रफ करने वाली हूँ. दिस इज अ किचन टूल, इट माइट वर्क. My neighbors are watching and they're like, ये कैमरा से क्यों बात कर रही है? Let's see the results. Okay, this is how my skin looks like after the tomato therapy. And honestly, I think I can see the difference for myself. See, इधर का थोड़ा reduce हो गया and my skin is actually glowing. मतलब glow नहीं, but थोड़ा सा difference है and I honestly love this hack. I recommend you guys पहले eyes से करो and then use tomato. It's like a deadly combination. I would rate this like a 8 on 10. But for the messy process, and yeah, it's 8 on 10. Hack number 9. This is eyeliner using a tape. So if you want that perfect wing here, just apply a tape and apply the liner, and of course when it dries just remove it and it will give you that perfect wing. But उसके लिए तुम्हें सेलो टेप भी अच्छे से प्लेस करना आना चाहिए, जो मुझे नहीं आएगा, I am sure, but I am going to try this because if it works मेरी लाइफ थोड़ी सॉर्ट हो जाएगी. I don't have the paper one, तो मैं ये लगाऊंगी and let's just अच्छे से लगाओ it. And I need my wing like this. Second also I'll apply, so it's going to be easy. I got you, and then I'll say, oh my god, I look so weird. I know how to put liner, and I don't even know if I've put the sellotapes correct, but okay, let's get going. Yes, this is the way I apply. So guys, remember, तुम्हें wing देखना है, मैं यहाँ पे कैसे भी लगाऊँ, don't judge me for that. I think this is going to work really well. Let's wait for this to dry. Patience खत्म हो चुका है, so I'm going to remove moment of truth. Bro, ये निकल नहीं रहा है. Bro. Okay, you see that? There's literally no difference क्योंकि सारा मैंने इस पर लगाया ऐसे. And I am removing it. The moment of truth. Bro, this works. Look at that. It looks so pretty. Just look at it. It looks so pretty. I know तुमको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा ये maybe, but can you just see? It looks very pretty, bro. Just look at the liner. This thing looks so pretty. I know this has been on the internet for years and years, but I was very lazy to try this because I've always hated eyeliners. But to my surprise, this has worked really well. I am literally in love with this hack, and I am definitely putting this one into my routine, bro. I'm very happy. I'm surprised. Actually, I knew कि चलेगा, but अलग सी खुशी सी हो रही है. Oh, let's go. 9.5 out of 10. Hack number 10 and the last hack. So if you hold your spoon below your eyes, like under your eyes, and then you start to apply liner, it acts as a shield, so nothing smudges underneath. तो वो eyeliner का इधर कुछ नहीं आएगा, but anyways वो कभी इधर आता नहीं है, but I don't know, maybe कभी आता भी होगा, but I am going to use that hack. So अगर आपके लिए कुछ कभी ऐसा हुआ है तो you can use if this works. So let's go. This hack is something I've been laughing on. I don't know how to do this hack, to be honest. इधर, I mean that actually doesn't make sense, or maybe it makes sense क्योंकि मेरा आँख ऊपर नीचे नहीं होगा, probably. Okay, I think. Wait, what? तो पहले स्मार्ट हो गया है. Okay, wait. I think को मेरे lashes जो है उसके ऊपर रखना होगा, इधर. So it lashes पे नहीं लगेगा. Okay. Bro, I think this spoon hack is 0, I think. But I'm going to keep. Hmm. It's so uncomfortable, you can't do anything. But you can talk about the pink. This is a fail. I don't want to try this. मुझे पहले से ही पता था मुझे नहीं try करना है, but I was trying कि हो जाएगा. But I'm literally so uncomfortable, and the fact that I don't know how to apply, उसमें ये मैं use करूँगी, this will bye. Comment below which hack you are going to try first, and if there's any hack you want me to suffer through next time, tell me, because apparently that's my personality now. Other than that, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. I will see you in the next one. Bye.